So welcome to another episode of Learning to Drive with Mr. Kahara. Today we are driving a manual car. This is a watch and learn video. So we are starting the car now. The car is running. The engine is running. Engage gear number 1. Release the handbrake. Slowly release the clutch as you release the brake and accelerate, and the car now is in motion. So now we are moving. So let's get into the car and do a real drive on a highway. Engage gear number 1, release the clutch. So car starts moving into gear number 2. Gear number 2. Gear number 3. Gear number 4, and you can see my foot as I change the gears. Gear number 5. Shifting downwards now from gear number 5, number 4, number 3 and to number 1 when it's slowing down. Into number 2, watch my foot as I change the gears. Into number 3. Back to number 2 and number 1. Moving slowly. Number 2. Number 1 again, I'm on a rough patch of road. Number 2. Gear number 3, I'm accelerating now. Gear number 4, increasing the speed. Slowing down. Back to gear number 2 and gear number 1. I'm turning. Gear number 2. Back to gear number 2. Just watch how gears are shifted in a manual car. This is a watch and learn video. Gear number 3. Into neutral position. Coasting a little bit. Into number 2. Gear number 3. You can see the position of gear number 3 and how the gear is engaged. Back to number 2 and into number 1. And I'm driving at a place where I cannot speed beyond the maximum power of the car. So I'm shifting between gear number 1, number 2 and number 3. So like now I'm in gear number 2. I'm on a rough road, you can see the car shaking. Gear number 3, increasing speed a little bit into gear number 3. Gear number 4, driving much faster. And slowing down, I'm on the neutral position. Into gear number 2. Watch the position of the gears. So in any manual car, that's how the gears are arranged. Into number 3 now. And I hope that this video has been helpful to you as you learn how to drive. Asante sana for watching. See you in the next video.